You know. Radhe Radhe. Bolgi Raj Maharaj ki jai. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, today is December 25, Krishna's Day. Merry Christmas to everyone, to all our friends there in Krishna Bharana Ashram, and of course, to everyone in Philippines. Okay, so now this is the highlight, the main thing. This is the highlight of the whole Braj Mandal Parikram. So, we are going to perform Giraj Parikram. Bol Giraj Maharaj ki jai. So, we started early in the morning, around 6 o'clock. And after 1 hour, we have reached the Manasi Ganga. So, and the presiding deity is Manasi Devi. Remember?
Manasi Ganga, Surya Devi.
The four Devi. Yogamaya Devi, Brinda Devi, Patala Devi, and Manasi Devi. So these are the four Devis which was established by Vajranath, the great grandson of Krishna. Okay, so this is Manasi Ganga. Mana means what? Mana.
Mine.
Mana Baba. Mine. So Ganga. So this is a special Ganga. Huh? So, one time the Brajabasis, they were hearing a story. Story about how Garuda was carrying a snake, no, from his beak, no. He was carrying a snake. He was flying around. Somehow, that snake touched the Ganga river, and immediately that snake attained his eternal form, Swarup form, with 400 Narayan form, and immediately the servant of Vishnu Dutas took him back to Vaikuntha Lok. Then, when the Brajavatis heard about it, suddenly the desire to visit Ganga came from their heart. So, they wanted to go to have pilgrim in Ganga. But where is the nearest Ganga in Braj? Maybe around 8 to 10 hours by car. And at that time, there was no car. They were only going to walk. So, when Krishna heard that they were preparing to go for Ganga Snan, Krishna told them, no need to go to Ganga, because Ganga is here in Braj. I will bring you there. So, Krishna brought all the Brajavasis. They just, out of affection to Krishna, they don't really take him seriously. But because they were thinking, how come Ganga will come to Braj? Ganga is so far away from Braj. But anyway, because they love Krishna, you know, so they just accompanied Krishna. So Krishna brought them all the Brajavasis here. And Krishna told them, this is the Ganga in Braj. They just saw this lake. So in order to convince them, the personified form of Ganga Mata appeared in this Manasi Ganga. She was riding on what? What is the carrier of Mother Ganga?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. She was wearing white. And when the Brajavatis saw Mother Ganga, they all offered obeisances and they were convinced that this is Ganga. So they abandoned the idea of going to Ganga river, but instead they take their shrine or bath here in Manasi Ganga. So how come the Ganga manifested in Braj? So let's go back. So there is one demon in a form of a small calf. Vatsasura. So Vatsa means calf. Vatsasura. So Krishna killed this demon. And the covered boys and the covered girls. Hey Krishna, you have committed an abominable sin because you have killed a cow. Krishna told them, it's not a cow, it's a demon. No, even if it's a demon, he appeared in a cow. So, then how I could become free from my sin? How I could be rectified? You should take bath in Ganga. Then Krishna, but Ganga is so far. If I go to Ganga, I would be separated from you. And I don't want to be separated from the Brajavasis. So, I will bring Ganga here. Then, Krishna closed his eyes. And from the mind of Krishna, Ganga manifested. And here it comes. The Manasi Ganga. It means it came from the mind of Krishna. So, it means it is more powerful than Ganga. Because Ganga is only touched the lotus feet of Vishnu. But this Ganga, it came from Krishna's mind. So this is a special Ganga. Jai Manasi Ganga ki Jai. And you can see we just have the darshan of, what is the name of the temple? Chakleshwar Mahadev ki Jai. So remember the story. Vajranath established 4 Mahadev. Huh? We have darshan of Gopishwar Mahadev. What is the next? Kameshwar Mahadev. Then Bhuteshwar Mahadev. Bhuteshwar Mahadev is in Mathura. Then this is Chakleshwar Mahadev. And there is also Nandishwar Mahadev. Remember the 5 Shiva Lingas? In the middle is Chakleshwar. Then this one. Bhuteshwar, Kameshwar, Gopishwar, and Nandishwar Mahadev. So that is the 5 Mahadeva inside. But this Shiva Linga, it was originally established by Vajranath. It is included in the 4 main Shiva Linga in Braj. This is the protector of the Govardhan side, on the direction of Govardhan. And this temple in front of us is the Haridev Mandir. Remember the 4 Dev: Govinda Dev, Baladev, Keshadev, and Haridev. So this is the temple of Haridev. And beside Chakleshwar Mahadev is what? The Bhajan Kutir of who? Sanatan Goswami. Sanatan Goswami doing his japa and meditation and bhajan. Then one time he was always being disturbed by mosquitoes. So he wanted to shift somewhere else. But Lord Shiva, which is just beside him, told Baba, please don't go away. From now on, no more mosquitoes that would disturb you from your japa. You can continue your bhajan here. So, on that day, they said, and until beside Chakleshwar Mahadev, because Mahadev wanted to hear the jap, the mantra, the holy name, when Sanatan Goswami chant every day. Okay, so another pastime here, very important pastime. What is that pastime? Here in Manasa Ganga, the boat pastime. So the boat pastime takes place here in Manasi Ganga. So it's a very long story. Remember I told you that Krishna disguised himself as a boatman? Remember that day during Radhastami? So this is where it happened. So we will not make it long. We'll just try to make it shortcut. So Krishna disguised a boatman. The gopis rode on his boat. Then in the middle of the lake, suddenly it is so heavy that it might be the cost. That's the cost of the sink of the boat. So they threw it again. Then again, it's still going to sink. So Krishna told them, you should throw all your garments because your garment is so heavy. Throw everything. Then the gopis told Krishna, what about if we throw you out? No, it's better. So Krishna, okay, no need. Then again, Krishna continued to row the boat. Then again, Krishna stopped. And Krishna told them that the boat is about to sink because of the thunder is coming. So Krishna is trying to rock the boat. And there was a thunder and a storm is coming. So Radharani was frightened. She embraced Krishna. And suddenly when Radharani touched and embraced the boatman, before they don't have idea that it was Krishna. They thought it was just an ordinary boatman. So when Radharani embraced the boatman, she realized that he is not a boatman. So Radharani took the flute of Krishna, which was hiding inside his tucked inside his dhoti, and she told the gopis, "This is not a boatman. This is my Pyari Ji, my beloved Krishna." And all the gopis started laughing and laughing because they were again tricked by Krishna. And they started to have a lila in the boat. So, Noka Bihari Lal Ki Jai. The boat pasay is called Noka Bihari. So, there are so many pastimes here in Manasiganga. We will continue on next Rajastami. Okay? Bolo Radharani Ki Jai. So now we will proceed. So you have to stay tuned. So you got the benefit of Govardhan Parikram. So every now and then we will have live. So just stay tuned. So you can have darshan of Giraj. Bol Giraj Maharaj Ki Jai. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Picture ang wala ng pangalan.
Sige.
Hindi mo pa inis.
Hindi pa.